Hello guys! So currently, nag-start na kami sa Yoki's Farm tour namin. And si Kuya Miko yung tour guide namin for today. Ayan. So 900 pesos ang animal encounter for adults and 800 pesos naman for kids. So, and 20% discount kasi may kasama kaming senior, si mother. Ayan. Ayan, meron silang menu dito, Yoki's Farm, on the grill with rice, sandwiches, appetizer, and drinks. Dito yung packages and rates nila. So, basic farm tour, animal encounter, and animal encounter with hydroponics harvest. And then, ito yung payment method. Pwedeng Maya, GCash, credit card.